Are you committed to your commitments? A big question mark. Please ask yourself. Wherever you go with full heart. Now, can we ask the same question? Are we committed to our commitments? The commitment itself is a big challenge, a big word, a powerful word. When you concentrate on the concentration, it requires a lot of involvement, lot of concentration, lot of dedication and determination. We take about 2 examples of the commitment on commitments. Colonel Sanders is a well-known personality who lost his father at the age of 6. At the age of 10, he had a brother, younger brother. His mother also separated him. She got remarried. Colonel Sanders had joined the Cuban army, came back and studied law, started a small chicken shop on the highway. The shop was also demolished because of the road expansion. Then he covered about 250,000 miles across America and talk about his special chicken, how he prepared the chicken with the help of herbs. Like that, he talked about various people and appointed franchise. Finally, he got an amazing wealth of $2 billion. Please see his commitment. He is committed to his commitment. Another example we can note, our neighboring country, Jack Ma, China, chairman of Alibaba, who sold. He is also a man who suffered from poverty. Only good thing he did, he studied English in the school by taking tuition. He also attended about 29 interviews, and 30th interview he decided, I will not go for job. Finally, he started the first e-commerce company in China. He floated his share recently in China and also Hong Kong. He is the only man, in spite of his wealth, he is the only man was against the Chinese government. The policy of the Chinese government for the business, he said, is outdated. China, everybody knows China is a country where people freedom may not be like in India. Jack Ma is another successful story, another successful man like Colonel Sanders. He had his emperor, he had his own kind of business in China. He is a well-known, everybody knows in the world about Jack Ma. You can take the commitment of Mahatma Gandhi. He was the first person when he came from South Africa. He was the first person to fight against the British, that too through non-violence. He has not taken any weapon. With the empty hand, he fought such a powerful army with the British. People are ruling India with a simple, nothing but his involvement, nothing but his concentration, nothing but his focus on that. Only thing India should get the freedom. His only ambition is that he forgot all other things. So India got the freedom. You take Mother Teresa as an example. She served till her last breath. So we have to ask question ourselves whether we are committed to our commitments. When you are committed with involvement and concentration, you will definitely succeed, friends. These are the fine examples, living examples we have given now. Please, commitment alone is not enough. Commitment on commitment is periodically will check your mind whether you are following your work. So everybody, let us have commitments on the commitments, at least 1 or 2 job functions or 1 or 2 projects. We will do that and we will be successful.